Welcome to our comparison video where we delve into the world of treadmills, specifically the Goplus 2-in-1 folding superfit, under-desk, electric treadmill and the Sperax Treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons aiming to help you make an informed decision. Regarding price, the Goplus treadmill is slightly more wallet-friendly at $299, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Sperax treadmill is priced at $329, a bit higher, but with potential features that could justify the extra cost, according to some reviewers. In terms of innovation, both treadmills offer a 2-in-1 folding feature. However, Goplus goes the extra mile by including features like a Bluetooth speaker and an app for tracking workouts, whereas Sperax focuses on simplicity and ease of use, as highlighted by its fully assembled delivery and straightforward design. When it comes to power, Goplus operates with a 2.25 HP motor ideal for a quiet exercise session. Sperax, however, boasts a stronger 2.5 HP motor, suggesting a more robust performance that may appeal to those looking for a more intense workout. Features-wise, Goplus is akin to a Swiss Army knife with its multitude of functionalities, while Sperax keeps it minimal with essential features like an LED display and remote control, prioritizing ease of use and straightforwardness over bells and whistles. Design is another crucial aspect. Goplus is designed for stealth and convenience, easily foldable and storable. Sperax, while also foldable, emphasizes readiness and ease of use right out of the box, catering to those who value simplicity and immediate usability. Overall, Amazon reviews paint a picture of satisfaction for both treadmills. Goplus users appreciate its durability and multifunctionality, but note some limitations for serious runners. Sperax users commend its space-saving design, ease of use, and quiet operation, though some mention the track size may not suit everyone. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights into the Goplus and Sperax treadmills. Remember, the best treadmill is one that fits your lifestyle and fitness goals. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information.